How to link Apex Legends account PS4 to PC. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. For this, search for store.epicgames.com. You'll be redirected to its official website. Now, in your account settings, you need to scroll down until you see Apps and Accounts. Tap on it. From here, navigate to your PlayStation network. Then tap on the Connect button. Select on Connect Account. The last step is to sign in into your PlayStation account to link your Apex Legends account PS4 to PC or your Epic Games to your PS4 to PC. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll be able to link it. However, if you want to change the email address of it, firstly you will have to log out of your Epic Games account, then log in back to it with a preferable account. Then follow the same step as displayed before. By this way, you'll be able to link any of the Apex Legends account for your PS4 to PC or any other platform. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.